This is John with alleviate. And as I work from home, that I'm always on the computer and always sitting, the whole posture on my neck gets a little bit damaged or affected. And this is where this neck stretcher comes into place. So whenever I'm out of work and I just want to lay down and chill out for a moment, this is actually a great tool for me because I want to keep my posture straight, and the fact that I'm always tilting just to see at the monitor or the computer. And let's be honest, well, most of the time we're always checking on our phones using this stance, and having a nice neck stretcher that is comfortable, that is gonna be easy on your neck, and it's a nice pillow that is well padded. It just feels like it has such a great quality at the way that this is built. So this is a great tool if you're trying to keep your posture in the right place. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.